Hi, I'm Nellie Adam, aka Queen Niche. I'm the face and lead for Zero Racism Wales, and I'm here today to ask you all to take your pledges and stand with me to help us create an anti-racist Wales. We're calling on both individuals and organisations alike because there is no room left in our societies for racism anymore.
Why have we signed the Zero Racism Pledge? We've signed the pledge to be aligned with our values of respecting others and our values of coming together to end racism in Wales. What it means to students and staff is that we're all in this collectively, is that what we want to do is to ensure that the future generations and our learner population understands that we're taking this very seriously. We want to make sure that people feel valued and people feel a sense of belonging, that they can come to the college and be themselves at college. We have a number of anti-racist activities that we're doing at the moment. We're also investing in ED&I heavily by promoting awareness building sessions on things like LGBTQ communities, but equally on disability, gender inclusivity, but also race and ethnicity, and making sure that our staff are culturally competent to be able to deal with the changing tides within the college, whether that be the proportion of ethnic minority learners that we have in the college, but also making sure that even though most of our campuses aren't in diverse areas, that's not an excuse. We need to be doing more to be able to reach out to other communities and to see through the optics of those people who are marginalized and those groups that are actually underrepresented, so that we can all work together collectively to be able to create a society that is much more accepting and much more open to the values of others.